pilots, arm your quads. Live on the tone in less than 5.
In third place, Director of Government Relations for MultiGP, the man, the myth, the legend, Alex Suarez. Come up and get a trophy, my friend. As long as I don't drop my tablet here. It's a wonderful, wonderful trophy. Good racing today. Awesome. Oh, I did give you that. You're not the university, you're a pilot. Yeah, that one. I didn't look at how these were laid out. All right, congrats, Alex Suarez.